Finding the best KitchenAid attachments can feel confusing when you want tools that truly expand what your stand mixer can do. The direct answer is this: the best KitchenAid attachments turn one mixer into a prep station for pasta, baking, veggies, and everyday US home cooking. From my own time using them for weeknight meals and weekend baking, the right attachment saves effort and counter space. After testing and comparing what actually gets used, not just what looks good, I know what delivers real value. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 10. KitchenAid KGM All-Metal Grain Mill Attachment. This grain mill makes fresh flour at home simple and satisfying. It connects easily to any KitchenAid mixer through the all-metal construction, giving stability while grinding. I love that it handles low moisture grains like wheat, corn, and rice with consistent results. The coarse to fine adjustment lets me pick the perfect texture for bread, pancakes, or porridge. It comes with a cleaning brush that makes maintenance quick. I also appreciate how it works with other low-oil grains, expanding recipe options. The only minor point is that grinding large batches takes a few minutes, but the results are worth it. Number 9. KitchenAid Stand Mixer Attachment Food Grinder. This food grinder makes home prep feel simple and fun. It connects through the motor power hub, so grinding feels steady and fast. I like the metal grinder build because it feels solid and handles meat well. The 3 grind plates let me switch from fine burgers to chunky chili. The sausage stuffer tubes are great for fresh links at home. The large food tray saves time when prepping big batches. Pre-chilling helps a lot, and the cold grind prep keeps texture clean. Storage is easy with the compact storage case. The only downside is cleanup takes a few minutes. Still, it's reliable, versatile, and great for homemade cooking. Number 8. KitchenAid Vegetable Sheet Cutter Attachment with Noodle Blade. This attachment makes veggie prep feel fun again. It connects through the motor-powered hub, so slicing feels smooth and fast. I love using the thin sheet blade for zucchini lasagna and the thick sheet blade for cucumber wraps. The noodle cut blade is great for veggie noodles when I want lighter meals. Build quality feels solid thanks to the premium metal build, and it stays steady while running. Cleanup is easy with dishwasher-safe parts, which matters on busy days. The easy storage case keeps everything organized. The only downside is soft veggies need firm pressure. Still, it's creative, reliable, and perfect for healthy cooking at home. Number 7. KitchenAid Stand Mixer Attachment Fresh Prep Slicer Shredder. This attachment makes meal prep feel easy. I use the Fresh Prep Power Hub connection to slice and shred fast without hand strain. The 3mm slicing blade is great for cucumbers and zucchini. The medium shred blade handles cheese evenly for tacos and pasta. For hash browns, the coarse shred blade works perfectly. I like the 2-in-1 food pusher because it fits both big and small veggies with less waste. You can shred straight into any bowl, which keeps counters clean. Cleanup is simple thanks to the dishwasher-safe blades. The only downside is soft veggies need a light touch. Still, it's a huge time saver for daily cooking. Number 6. KitchenAid Stand Mixer Attachment Food Processor. This attachment turns my stand mixer into a real prep helper. The dice, slice, shred tool saves a lot of cutting time on busy days. I use the exact slice control often because it lets me switch from thick to thin slices in seconds. The wide feed tube fits whole veggies, so there's less prep before starting. Cheese shredding feels fast and even, which I love for tacos and salads. The julienne disc set works great for stir-fry veggies. Cleanup is simple, and the compact storage case keeps parts organized. The only drawback is setup takes a minute. Still, it's a huge time saver. Number 5. KitchenAid 7-Blade Spiralizer Plus with Peel, Core, and Slice. This spiralizer makes veggie prep feel easy and fun. The powered mixer hub does the hard work, so my hands stay free. I use the 7-blade options a lot, especially for zucchini noodles and thin slices. The premium metal build feels solid and steady while running. Cleanup is simple with dishwasher-safe blades, which saves time after dinner. I also like the peeling blade tool for quick apples and potatoes. Everything stores neatly in the compact storage case, which keeps my kitchen organized. The only downside is softer veggies need firm pressure. Still, it's a creative and reliable KitchenAid attachment. Number 4. KitchenAid KSMPRA Gourmet Pasta Press Attachment. This pasta press turns pasta night into a fun routine. The powered mixer drive pushes dough smoothly with little effort. I love the 6 pasta discs because switching shapes feels quick and easy. Spaghetti, rigatoni, and fusilli all come out clean. The built-in wire cutter helps control noodle length, which is great for soups. Cleanup feels simple thanks to dishwasher-safe parts and the included tool. I also like the all-in-one storage case that keeps everything tidy. The only drawback is softer dough takes practice. Still, for fresh pasta lovers, this attachment feels creative, reliable, and very satisfying to use. Number 3. KitchenAid Stand Mixer Attachment, KSMPRA 3-piece pasta roller. This pasta attachment makes homemade pasta feel simple. The powered mixer drive does the hard work, so rolling dough feels smooth and easy. I really enjoy the stainless steel rollers, which give clean, even sheets every time. With 8 thickness settings, I can switch from thin lasagna sheets to thicker noodles fast. The 6-inch pasta sheet size works well for most home recipes. Cutting is easy with the spaghetti cutter tool, and noodles come out uniform. The only downside is it takes storage space. Still, for fresh pasta nights, this attachment feels sturdy, precise, and very satisfying to use. Number 2. KitchenAid Ice Cream Maker Attachment for Stand Mixer. This attachment turns your stand mixer into a home ice cream shop. The creamy, small batches feel perfect for family desserts without waste. I like the 2-quart freezer bowl, which makes enough ice cream for a few servings in one go. With fast 30-minute churn, dessert comes together quicker than most store runs. The redesigned mixing dasher spreads and scrapes well, so textures stay smooth and even. Setup feels easy thanks to the quick hub connection, and cleanup is simple once the bowl warms up. The main drawback is model compatibility, so checking fit matters. Still, for fresh ice cream at home, it's fun and rewarding. Number 1. KitchenAid Stand Mixer Attachment, KSMSIA Shave Ice. This KitchenAid attachment feels like a fun upgrade for everyday kitchens. I love that it's a genuine KitchenAid fit, so it locks in securely and uses the mixer's power with no fuss. The snow-like ice texture is impressive. Ice comes out light and fluffy, not chunky. It's great for summer treats at home. The fast 1-pint output means shaved ice is ready in about a minute, which feels perfect for kids or guests. I also enjoy the 3-step process. Freeze, shave, and create. Feels simple, even on busy days. You can get creative with juice or milk bases. The only downside is it's very niche, but for shaved ice fans, it's pure fun. Check the description link for current prices and more details, and pick the KitchenAid attachments that fit your style and kitchen best.